That's gonna be a good video. She ate a guinea pig. Well, you gotta show them before you eat it. Damn, she couldn't even show y'all. She put that thing right in her mouth. It's very crunchy. And open your mouth. Your girl's hungry. We took a shower, thank God, you know.
We need it.
Yeah. We was dusty. We're feeling good now, feeling better. Cammy's hungry.
Yes.
You know.
You're not hungry because
you got to feed them red bones. Here's a fountain. It wasn't on earlier. I'm heating up the drone. Come get some drone shots tomorrow. So Cammy's gonna eat guinea pig.
I'm craving that.
And
I love having that, to be honest.
I'm gonna have some regular food, like regular normal people.
Nah, basic.
She gonna keep it traditional with the guinea pig. I wanna hear you crunch it. That's gonna be a good video. She ate a guinea pig. That's gonna be actually good in Arequipa. She ate a guinea pig in Arequipa. And then I'm gonna say the next one gonna be like, she ate a llama in Arequipa. And the last one is, she ate dude. And I'm just playing. Just jokes. I'll make sure I cut that out.
Okay.
You want to feed an alpaca?
Yeah.
How you gonna feed one and then eat one? I'm fattening you up for later. That's what you telling her?
No, there are ones that are in the plaza and you can feed them or you can take pictures with them. And then you just give a tip that burns out of your heart.
Yeah, look at this.
Do you want to check there?
I don't know. There's so many options. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, so many options.
They're just gonna confuse your damn self. Yeah, let's go and look. We might as well look. Oh, you want Mexican food?
No.
Or you want guinea pig?
I didn't come to Arequipa to have Mexican food.
Came to keep it traditional?
Of course. I think this is like menu selling.
Damn, they got guinea pig everywhere. What could I eat? Not that. I ain't eating that.
Shrimps. There's like a soup of shrimps.
This one? What is this?
Soup of shrimps with corn and vegetables. Or I can have the traditional dish of Arequipa, the rocoto relleno.
Oh, they have higher?
¿Tienes más arriba? Sí, normal, puedes subir. ¿Y tienes cuy? Sí, sí. Ya.
Oh. Even better.
They have cuy.
I heard. Oh, it's higher, but they kind of got it blocked off. Okay. I could work with this. Oh, yeah. Oh, it looks actually good now that the sun is going down. But it's getting cold. Well, let's wait till the food or the drinks come. A lot of sugar. Let me taste. Yeah, let me taste. Tastes good. But the regular one tastes good too. It's sweet. They put a lot of sugar in it.
Maracuya is sweet.
No, but this one too. You could taste the sugar in the frost.
That will get us drunk faster.
Oh, wait. She finally did it. She did it for y'all. Now, they cut the head off.
And the paws, but you can still
And the
see
paws. But here we have the guinea pig, cuy. And she was adamant about getting this cuy. And she wanted y'all to know it's a fried rabbit. If y'all eat fried rabbit, I guess y'all could eat fried guinea pig, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, we might. The hard thing is that cutting this is only for the experts.
Okay,
We'll be moving a little bit.
Let her dig in, y'all. So, Candy eats cuy, or AKA guinea pig, and she says it's delicious. Now it does look like chicken. Like actually, the meat. Show them real closely the meat and everything. It's not a lot of meat either. We should have had 2.
No, I'm good with 1.
So it's a place that raises guinea pigs so they can eat them. What they do with the fur?
I don't know.
You don't care. That ain't your problem, right? She going hard too. She ain't even talking. Oh, you got to show them before you eat it. Damn, she couldn't even show y'all. She put that thing right in her mouth. She was like, damn that. Your girl's hungry. Starving. How you say starving in Spanish?
Muriendo de hambre. Okay, this is the skin.
It's very crunchy.
Very crunchy.
What sounds do guinea pigs make? Crunch, crunch, crunch. Damn, she eating that thing like it's a piece of what's that they eat like a pork rinds. That's just, I'll let you enjoy yourself. I got you on tape. So describe it to the people. Tell them the flavor. Is the meat juicy? Is it dry like chicken? Is it juicy? Is the meat tender
like
or is it tough? It looks like chicken. Like
it tastes like chicken.
it tastes like chicken. So why not just have a chicken?
It has more
Protein.
and vitamins, and it's better.
That's what they told you growing up? She ain't playing. She tearing that joint up. Damn, you know what you should have supposed to do before you started eating it? You're supposed to hold the plate up for the thumbnail. Like, damn, I be forgetting. Okay, let me get a picture of you eating it. Hold on. Let me get a picture. Let me see if I can get a possible thumbnail out of this. Well, hold this piece up and do that. Just hold it up. That might be a good thumbnail. What? You know, like this. Yeah. Damn, I wish you wouldn't have ate it yet. Hold it up on one of the legs.
Everything for the content. This is gonna cost.
Why you ain't hold the whole thing up? The whole thing.
The whole thing? No, it's too much.
All right. That look like chicken. They ain't gonna believe you. Turn it a little bit. No, turn. Yeah, like that. And open your mouth. Okay. I'm not sure I'm gonna use that as a thumbnail, but it'd be fun.
I bet you're having fun. Let me see if this is really spicy.
How is it? Tell them how good it is.
It is very good. You need to try it.
No, I don't.
You're not afraid? I'm telling you guys.
I haven't.
I'm not telling you.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God, look at him. Turn the camera. I'm eating. Turn the camera.
It's cold.
He's cold.
I'm cold. I ain't gonna get warm until I start eating.
A good Peruvian eats all the food with the hands. That's how you appreciate it.
Oh,
Also when you eat chicken.
like chicken?
Yeah. when you're eating chicken wings or whatever, you eat it with the hands. Like, you're not gonna be eating with a fork or whatever.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's
me
that.
había dicho que me podía traer salsa golf para la causa.
¿Salsa golf? No tenemos salsa golf.
Ya, está bien, gracias. Gracias, muy amable. Falta el chicharrón de pollo.
Okay, this is
Causa.
causa. Causa.
Oh.
I've seen this before on menus, but I've never had it. So it's potato, right? It's avocado, shrimp with a sauce, with a secret sauce, pause. And it's like a little pie. So I'm gonna try this. It's cold. I don't know why people ain't cold. What's wrong with them? It is cold out this piece. Let me get a little piece of this and see how it tastes.
You don't have to cut it with a fork. You just cut it with because it's soft.
It is.
Is it good?
There's a lot going on for me.
Like a what?
A lot going on. Like shrimp and creamy and.
Oh, there goes your dish.
Do you have hot sauce? I want like, regular hot sauce. Like salsa picante. Know what I mean? I think the shrimp inside would be good if the shrimp was fried. It would take it up another notch in my opinion. Have salt and pepper. She run away too quick. Okay, I'm gonna leave this for Cameron. I wanted some pepper too. Damn, it's cold, what? The texture, I don't really care
The
for.
water is so cold, the food gets cold easily, like faster.
Quickly, yeah. I thought it was gonna be hot out here. I even bought shorts with me. Little did I know. They have false advertisement. They show everybody at all the sites with shorts on. But it's not always like this. When you came before, it was warm, right? No, it was like this? Wow.
Oh, look at the bud.
The rib cage. Wow. Poor guinea pig. We have those as pets in America. Funny thing, I was actually gonna do a Spanish immersion course in Cusco. I have a school there. You stay for 30 days, you stay with a local family. And my boy had put me up on it, then he backed out. So I had researched the whole thing with the guinea pig and all that. I was like, what? I was like, the whole thing gonna be trying to pick me no guinea pig. I was gonna stay with a family for 30 days and go to school. And while you're there to school, they could arrange a trip to Cusco and to Machu Picchu and all that. And I said, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to Lima on the weekend, on my weekends. That was my plan. But my boy, he backed out. I didn't want to be here 30 days in Cusco 30 days by myself. I was like, I don't know, you know what I mean? Yeah, you stay in somebody's house. You stay with a host. Is it good?
What?
Cuy.
Because I'm not talking. Because it's good.
I respect that. You're welcome. You're serious about that. No kisses tonight. No, I'm just playing. If I was doing a live, I would taste it if y'all sent in a challenge.
What challenge?
They would have to pay me to eat it.
Huh?
I had
If they pay you, you would eat it?
maybe I'd taste it.
Do you need something?
No. Well, I think we showed y'all enough. She ate the alpaca. I mean, the guinea pig. The cuy. She's still here. She's still alive.
What will happen to her?
I'm just joking. You know, I'll let y'all know she turns into a werewolf later or something like that. And she started running around the room on all fours. I'll let y'all know. If the ghost of the guinea pig comes to haunt her tonight for eating their brother.
You really like to create stories. Very creative.
That's what they say. We out. We out. We out. What happened to peace? Peace.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?